You got lots of gears there?
There's too many. There's too many.
I think you're right. It's a little bit too many. Those gears make you happy?
They don't.
No?
It makes me sad.
Why is that?
Because I don't like gears.
You don't like gears?
No.
No more gears?
No more of these gears. You can have the real ones.
Oh, you want the ones that are up in your playroom?
They want the real ones.
Well, those ones are pretty real. You got metal ones and plastic ones. You got yellow ones and blue ones. Which one?
There's like one blue one.
Yeah, one blue one that's broken.
Why?
Well, I think I broke it when I took it out of the clock, right?
I can tell what this is.
Oh, say hi to Grandmama. Shawnee. Shawnee? Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
See you soon.
I'll see you soon.
Got anything else to say to him?
No.
Nothing else?
No. This is hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. All right.